Hello everyone, you are most welcome in virtual class, subject English. I am Mr. Pawar DP from Pandit Nehru Vidyalaya Kamshet. We are going to learn describing words, adjectives. What is describing word or adjective? Describing words or adjectives tell more about person, animal, place or thing. जे शब्द व्यक्ती, प्राणी, ठिकाण किंवा वस्तू याबद्दल अधिक माहिती सांगतात त्यांना डिस्क्रायबिंग वर्ड्स म्हणजेच वर्णन करणारे शब्द किंवा ॲडजेक्टिव्ह्ज म्हणजेच विशेषण म्हणतात. Here, boy, cow, palace, box are nouns and the word tells more about these nouns. For example, smart boy, calm cow, big palace, empty box, smart, calm, big, empty are describing words or adjectives. The words tells more about noun are describing words or adjectives. Describing word or adjective tells more about noun. Pencils, and we come to know more about pencils with the word three pencils. Children, and we come to know more about children with the word small children. Table, we come to know more about table with the word round table. Butterfly, and we come to know more about butterfly with the word blue butterfly. Tiger, and we come to know more about tiger with the word angry tiger. Three, small, round, blue, angry are describing words. Remember one thing: number, size, shape, color, and feelings words are describing words or adjectives. Here is the table of describing words. Number words: 1, 10, 100, 1000, many, 11, etc. Size words: big, teeny, little, huge, large, gigantic, etc. Shape words: triangle, circle, square, curved, round, vertical, etc. Color words: yellow, black, white, colorful, brown, green, etc. And feeling words: happy, hungry, excited, tired, bored, scared, etc. Students, here are few sentences and we will identify the describing words or adjectives. These are colorful balloons. Balloons is naming word. It is noun. And the word tells more about balloons is colorful. So colorful is describing word. The second sentence, this is yummy chocolate cake. Cake is naming word, it is noun, and the word tells more about cake are yummy and chocolate. So yummy and chocolate are describing words. The third sentence, Raju loves soft teddy. Raju and Teddy are naming words, and the word tells more about Teddy is soft. So the word soft is describing word. The words tell more about nouns is describing word or adjective. Friends, you all must have understood describing words or adjectives very well. Thank you.